Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install configure PostgreSQL Server 18.0 on Ubuntu 25.10, but the process is same on all Ubuntu versions. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to PostgreSQL official website. It is postgresql.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 18. Click on download or click on this download button, either is fine. Then select Linux, then click on Ubuntu. See here, the PostgreSQL APT repository supports the current versions of Ubuntu 25.10, 25.04, 24.04 and 22.04. Okay, so I am on Ubuntu 25.04. Now we have to run these commands one by one. See, to manually configure APT repository, follow these steps. So we have to run these commands to install PostgreSQL Server 18. Okay, so open terminal. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, CI certificates is already installed, so it is going to install call. So type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. Now import the repository signing key by executing these two commands. Now create repository configuration file. Now update the packages, sudo apt update. All packages are up to date. Ctrl A. Now install PostgreSQL Server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL 18. Hit enter. See, it is going to install PostgreSQL 18 and these dependencies. Type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed, and see here the default value is max connections 100, shared buffer size 128 megabytes, time zone Asia Kolkata. This is based on my system time zone. Okay, now verify the status of the PostgreSQL server. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL server is installed and it is enabled and active. Okay, now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres psql. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. This is not the version of the PostgreSQL server, it is psql client version. To verify the version of the PostgreSQL server, we have to run the command select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 18. Okay, quit to quit, Ctrl A. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to update the password for the super user, that is Postgres. So verify list of users that comes with PostgreSQL installation. /du. See, we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is super user. You can also get the list of the users by running select username from pg_user. See, we got the same. Okay, now set the password for this user. Alter user Postgres with password, then provide the password. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Altered means we have successfully set the password. Now verify the list of the databases. We can verify list of databases by using meta command, that is \l or q to quit select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases that comes with PostgreSQL Server installation. Let us create database. Create. Now verify the same. See, we have created database bank. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command \c, then provide the name of the database, or you can give the connect and give the name of the database. Both are same. Okay. Now verify list of tables \dt. See, you don't have any tables. Let us create table. See, we have created table in public schema, and this is the one of the table. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now create user. Create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to PostgreSQL server with this new user. To exit, we have to use the \q. psql -h means hostname, localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this one. -u must be caps, then provide the username. Then -d means database name, Postgres. Not only Postgres, you can use the that is there in PostgreSQL server. Then provide the password of this user. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, that is the password. See, we have successfully connected. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. Now run the query against the table that we have created in this database. See, permission in for table customer, because we have created user, but we haven't granted any privileges on any objects of this database. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now you'll see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server 18 version on Ubuntu 25.10. But the process is same on all Ubuntu versions. We can't stop or start with this Postgres user. So exit, sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is inactive or dead. Okay, quit. Also try to connect to PostgreSQL server. PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. Okay, exit from the Postgres user. Now start it. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is started 3 seconds ago. Okay, if you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL server is restarted 2 seconds ago. Quit. Until now, we have connected PostgreSQL server by using psql client. You can also connect PostgreSQL server by using pgadmin or DBA. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install DBA or pgadmin on Ubuntu operating systems. Okay, so in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL server 18 version on Ubuntu 25.10. Okay. For more PostgreSQL or Ubuntu tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.